Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different than my typical videos, but I was super excited to show you guys all this stuff, so I had to do a haul for you all. I'm going to start off with one of my favorite products that I am obsessed with, and I'm slowly kind of moving everything in my kitchen over into one. It's these Oxo Good Grip pop containers, and they are so pretty, or I think they are. They're so handy. They've got this little lid with a button on them. You just press it, it pops up and becomes your handle, and you can get to anything that you have inside. Once you're ready to use, of course, you peel this label out of it, and they're these nice, clean, and crisp little containers. You can put a label on these, or you don't have to. You can see everything that's in them, and it's super awesome to know when you're running out of things. You can just look in your cabinets and tell. So I did get this at TJ Maxx for $7 on clearance. These are a little pricier, so if you're not really looking for like a large investment in storage containers, buy them slowly and watch for them on sale. But they are so worth it. I absolutely love them. I have a ton of them now that I use daily, and they work really well. So my next item is something that I had been looking for a while but never could really find what I wanted. It's these chef salts, and I didn't buy them because they're salt. I bought them for the container, and I'll tell you what I want them for. I've been wanting a salt and pepper container by my stove so I could scoop out of it while I'm cooking, and I've never really found a container that is affordable and really good quality, feels like, and of course I like the clean, clear look. So these were $4 a piece. Of course, I know they're both salt, so I'm going to empty one out, put pepper in it, and then take the salt out of this, grind it up to the consistency I want, and then I have my little salt and pepper churns. So I'm super excited about these, and I cannot wait to see what these look like by my stove. Now the next thing is this little herb holder, and got this at Walmart. It's the Pioneer Woman brand. I love the Pioneer Woman. Not specifically her items, but I just love Bree Drummond. Like, I love the Pioneer Woman on the cooking channel. And I also like her stuff because it's all floral, and I'm about anything with floral on it. So this little top part pops off, and you put your herbs in here. It's got little holes where your herbs can get to the water. But then once you've got your herbs in here, you just pop it down in this little white base. You can refresh the water through this little spout, and it's supposed to keep your herbs good for longer. So I'm super excited to see if this works, because if you cook with herbs a lot, you know that they never last as long as you want them to. So I'll let you know how this works, but I'm super excited about it. And it's really pretty. It has floral stuff on the front, on the base of it, and the back of it. So back to my organizing containers is this little stackable storage organizer. I also get these at TJ Maxx. I usually try to catch them on sale, just like the Oxo containers, because these can be a little pricey too. But I really like these. They stack really well, and they're really sturdy. Like, I don't feel like these handles are going to break when I pull them out. But I got this at TJ Maxx for $3 on clearance. You can usually find these for a pretty good deal, but you're not going to find them all at once. So I've kind of just picked these up here and there and used them in our like drawers in our bedroom, and I would like to start using these in the fridge. But it's this little storage containers. If you're looking for something like these, I would highly recommend this. And now back to the Oxo brand is this little pizza cutter. We actually have an Oxo pizza cutter, but it's not this big, and it doesn't feel this heavy, and we didn't need this, but I thought it'd be nice to have. It was $11.99, so it was a little bit pricier of an item, to be honest. I don't know how much pizza cutters are, so that might be like reasonable for one. I thought it was, obviously, because I bought it. But I really like this. The handle feels super heavy, and then the wheel is pretty big, so sometimes I like to make the strombolis that are thicker. I thought this would cut through it pretty easy because our other one kind of like gets buried in it. Okay, so now for the last Oxo product is this Oxo Three-Piece all-purpose dispensers. These are so nice. I love these. I already have a set of them, but I thought it'd be handy to have like another one for other items that I find in my kitchen that need somewhere to go. Right now I hold chocolate chips in these. So in the biggest one I've got milk chocolate chips, in the middle one I've got white chocolate chips, and the smallest one I've got dark chocolate chips because we don't use them very often. But they are so awesome with chocolate chips, especially because if you get the bag and you just like rubber band them, sometimes that rubber band comes off and you have chocolate chips flying all over your kitchen. So this kind of keeps it all contained and keeps them nice, sealed, and fresh until the next time you need to use them. These were $24.99 at TJ Maxx, and I could not recommend these enough. They are awesome, and they also have larger ones for cereal. So now for a fun purchase are these little champagne flutes. Found these on clearance too at TJ Maxx for $2 for 4 of them. So like, how could I not buy them? They are super cute and I think really pretty. They are plastic too, so you don't have to worry about them breaking. But they're kind of this shiny iridescent color. They've got like pink and green and blue, but they're super pretty. And for $2, like, how could I not? So now my next thing is another brand that I really like, and it's Kitchenaid. I got this 3-piece set of bowls. It's got handles and the little silicone thing at the bottom so it doesn't like slide around your not your container, your kitchen, your cabinets, your countertops. But they're super handy, and I really like those. And then I also got these little prep bowls that match it, and these are super cute. It's the same color. So of course I had to pick these up. They were $5.99 at TJ Maxx. And now my last couple things are actually from Hobby Lobby. They're kind of fun buys, but some of them probably are a little practical. The first ones are these chip clips. They feel really well made, and they're pretty thick. They're kind of heavy. So even if you don't need them for chip clips, I find myself grabbing these a lot even for the fridge if I have a bag that needs to be clipped to close. I like these a lot better than like rubber bands because sometimes they break or they get flipped over and they leak out in the fridge. So I just prefer clips, and also I really like the colors of these. They were like fun and bright. So now on to some more fun buys. And the first thing I got is this little dish drainer, and they have avocados on it, and it says "You guac my world," which I think is so cute. I am really cheesy and punny, so when I seen this I had to have it. And it's really soft, and I really like these for when you just have a couple dishes and you want to hand wash them instead of throwing them in the washer. Then this next one is also punny. It is this little sushi set, and it says "Soy Mates," which I thought was super cute. And we like to make sushi at home some, so I thought these would be really cute to put out whenever we're making sushi on the stove or on the table. Now my next little set is very summery. It's very bright and fun. It's this ice cream set, and these are little towels. This one has sprinkles on it. That one has ice cream. And then I got this little dish drainer that has ice cream and sprinkles. So I thought these all three really matched and went well together. And I thought this would be fun for when we have a birthday or for in the summer. I could kind of switch them out. And then this next one is also a summery one. I love anything with watermelons. I love watermelons. Love watermelon on things. So I had to get this little towel with watermelons. And then this was the dish drainer that I found that thought would kind of match it some. But I thought this would be really cute for summer or spring as well. And then to be a little bit more practical on things I can use all year round, I went ahead and got these kitchen towels and these little dishcloths. They come in 4 different colors, like a navy blue, a baby blue, a brown, and a green. These feel really nice and like pretty durable, so I'm excited to use these and see how they hold up. And then my last item are these cute little floral salt shakers. I don't know if it'll focus on them, but they're really cute. They're ceramic. It was from the Dolly Parton collection at Hobby Lobby, which I don't know if they're getting rid of or maybe they just had it for spring. But I thought these were super cute and they were on sale. So that's all I've got for today. I hope you guys like this little haul of mine. And if you have any of these items at home that you're already loving, let me know down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I will see you on the next one.